Hey everyone, welcome back to Scrummy. Just look at what we're making today. Yes, we're making cream egg fondant stuffed with a molten cream egg centre. Don't they look so scrummy? These cream egg fondants are a delicious treat and easy to make, so 100% worth it. Okay everyone, let's get baking. We're going to start by placing butter and dark chocolate into a heat-proof bowl. Melt in the microwave or over a pan of simmering water, whichever you prefer. Next we're making the sponge mixture. Place caster sugar, egg yolks and eggs into a bowl and whisk until the mixture is light in colour and has doubled in size. You'll know when it's ready when you see trails from the whisks in the mixture. Or what I do is, I lift the whisk and make the number 8 on top of the mixture, and if it sits on top it's ready. Pour in the cooled, melted chocolate mixture and stir it in until it's fully combined. Add in the plain flour and fold it in gently until it's fully mixed in. The recipe can be found in the description box under the video. I'm using 4 4x8cm pudding moulds which I've greased with melted butter and dusted with cocoa powder. Fill about halfway and place a frozen cream egg in the centre on its side, pushing it down a little. Cover with the remaining mixture. These are now ready for the oven. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. When baked, allow to cool for 10 minutes before removing from the mould. These cream egg fondants need to be served straight away if you want to enjoy the melted centre. You can also pop them into the microwave either to heat them up before serving. Just look at that gooey centre, this is my kind of dessert. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and don't forget to subscribe or like my page. Happy baking everyone!
Scrummy!